Super weather.
Welcome back to Midwest Access. We are keeping an eye on quite a busy weekend for us in southern Minnesota and northern Iowa. First alert days ahead for us on Sunday and Monday. Sunday is a bit of a duality. We are looking at high heat and humidity back in the region this weekend. So Sunday we'll see a first alert day due to the heat, but also there's a chance for some strong to severe thunderstorms Sunday afternoon into the evening hours. So kind of two threats that we're keeping an eye on for the area on Sunday. Then Monday we see more of that continued heat with heat index values near 100. So let's break down some of those heat related headlines that have been issued by the National Weather Service so far today. Looking ahead to your Saturday, heat advisory in place for counties highlighted in orange here in southern Minnesota. This does also include a couple counties just west of I-35 in North Iowa. Notice along I-35 in Minnesota, an extreme heat warning. This will be in effect Saturday, but also Sunday. Now we look at Sunday. As I mentioned, those counties along I-35 in Minnesota remain under that extreme heat warning. Notice, though, the rest of southeastern Minnesota and northern Iowa in an extreme heat watch. Likely to see that watch upgraded to a heat advisory or extreme heat warning. So monitoring Sunday's heat-related headlines. And I should also mention North Iowa remain in that extreme heat watch for Monday as well. So expecting to see some additional heat-related headlines for North Iowa into Monday. Looking ahead to this weekend and next week, next 3 days, especially Sunday into Monday, likely the worst of those feeling conditions. We'll see high temperatures into the lower 90s Sunday and Monday, but look at the threat for triple-digit heat index values this weekend and into early next week. Some minor relief possible heading into next week, Tuesday and beyond. However, those heat index values will continue to remain in the 90s, so hot and humid conditions sticking with us. There is a level 1 threat for some strong to severe thunderstorms through portions of southern Minnesota, North Iowa, mainly into Wisconsin. So keeping an eye on that potential for maybe a couple stronger thunderstorms. Of course, but the main focus will be for Sunday with that level 2 threat. More of a conditional threat at this time, but monitoring things very closely. So have multiple ways to receive alerts and warnings this weekend, especially if you're out enjoying the sunshine. Highs in the 80s heading into your Saturday, And then we have those first alert days, Sunday and Monday. Still looking at some hot, humid weather continuing throughout next week.
Don't forget your umbrella.